So what I wanted to do today is build a landing page and show you how to build a highly attractive landing page for this product. And one of the first things that we do, we want to get it titled. We have the title here, Astronaut Galaxy Light Projector, and we're going to jump right into Chat GPT and make it all happen before your eyes, and you're going to see exactly how to do it. Let's go. All right, everyone, let's transform this product into something amazing. This is what it's going to look like when you first start your conversation. It's just going to be a little box there. Don't get confused. It gives you some examples on how you could use it, like explain quantum physics and all kinds of things. Give me creative ideas for a 10-year-old's birthday. But this is what I want you to start typing in for ways for getting traffic, for ways for building websites or anything. Just start with, say, help me create an attention-grabbing campaign. A campaign could be anything, an email, a video script, just say campaign. And then you're gonna put in the name of the product. So the name of the product, Astronaut Galaxy Night Light Projector, Stars Projector. And then I put a little bit more detail in there, which is like, give your room a celestial atmosphere. And I got that idea from right over here on the product itself. So it's just kind of add that AI a little bit more information on what you're trying to do. Now, this is where people get stuck, my friends. This is where they get stuck. They put in the data, right? But then AI is going to tell you a bunch of like ideas, like use images, use videos, do a high compelling this. But this is where people get stuck. They're like, okay, but I already kind of know that. Why would you tell me that? But this is what you got to do. You got to start saying, give me an example. Like, okay, storytelling. Okay, use social media, use influencer marketing. Okay, I've heard about influencer marketing like TikTok and Instagram. Okay, discounts and offers. Okay. Storytelling, highlight unique features. Okay, but this doesn't really help me. So this is what you got to always start remembering to type in. Give me an example. As simple as that. Give me an example. This will start actually making it have to think harder and think harder and think harder. Meaning like, okay, I got to give this person actually what they're looking for. But this isn't good enough. Like right here is just going a little bit deeper, but it's not deep enough. So it's say, okay, here's an idea for a sub headline. And just so you guys know, anytime you're working with any of these, you could say include emojis or add emojis and I always say add emojis and add some caps, meaning like make some capitals on some of the bigger, more important things. So right now it's making me like some ideas about the benefits, influencer marketing. So it's still not giving me what I want. It's basically just giving an example of what it just gave me an example of. So what I'm going to say again is also give me an example, but include emojis. That's all. So here it's going deeper and it's going to go deeper and go deeper. So here we go. It's going to give us something pretty good here. Transform your room into a celestial oasis with Astronaut Galaxy Light Stars Projector. I think that's pretty cool. So it should keep getting better and better. Now, let me go back to a campaign that I recently did where I did the same thing. I was helping a student and they created a full landing page. And what I did is I said, give me attention-grabbing bullet points to highlight key features. So what I will do is I will say this. So this is what I want you guys to do on the other end. So give me attention-grabbing bullet points to highlight key benefits, but list it out with emojis, okay? So what it's gonna do here is once it stops, okay, so it won't actually do anything until it stops, and it stopped now, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that. So give me attention-grabbing bullet points with highlight the feature key benefits listed out with emojis. So here we go. It's going to start now giving me bullet points listed out. Now, the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to say, give me real life customer reviews. So here in a moment, it's going to do exactly what I shared earlier about how I went to Amazon. I would look at all the different reviews and we would see which ones gave really good. And then I basically am going to say, give me real life customer reviews. Okay, boom. And then here shortly, we're going to just make this amazing landing page. We're going to have reviews. We're going to have benefits. We're going to have the features. We're going to have everything listed out, even with reviews, with emojis and all capitals, some all capitals to really stand out. And you're going to start to see the power behind this. So here we go. Here we go. I'm going to do that here real quick. So here we go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, use the bullet points with benefits and the real reviews to make a full landing page with everything included you gave me. So it's like, hey, look, you know, and I want you all to understand that when you're chatting with this inside of this conversation is saved and it's learning everything about you. And so when you come back to it, like after a week or a few days, and you want to say, help me write an Instagram post, or help me write a Facebook post, or help me write a script, inside of this chat box, it knows so much about you. So it's like gonna spit out everything that it knows about you. So like it's gonna have the reviews ready, it's gonna have the bullet points ready, it's gonna have everything ready to go. So you're just ready to rock and roll, okay? So I'm gonna stop generating here because I forgot to ask it to add emojis. So I'm gonna make sure to say, so use bullet points and include emojis. Now, you don't even have to like spell right. You don't even have to do like anything right. You just got to actually like tell it what to do and it will figure it out. Okay. So here we go. Here's part of our landing page. I'm going to see what else it has. All right. Let's see. So it's still going, my friends. Look at all this. Look at how pretty this is. It doesn't even have the reviews yet, I don't think. Oh yeah, it has a review here. Here we go. It's got some reviews. So let's copy this. Well, let's just read it really quick. It's powerful. Look at this. Look at how cool it is, my friends. Out of this world design. Are you looking for a way to add a touch of magic and wonder to your room? Do you love the beauty and mystery of the night sky? Look no further than the astronaut galaxy light stars projector. Out of this world design. What you guys can now say, like, let's say that we came up with a website. Okay? Make me the full landing page with everything, but brand it around whatever name, like the name of the website. The brand it around the name of Astro Mall or Astro Shop. Okay. And believe it or not, so sometimes you get an error like this. So we got an error. I'm just going to have to refresh the page. So this happens quite a bit, my friends. It'll get an error. Just refresh and go back to the actual landing page here. And let's put that in there. Make me a full landing page, but brand it around the name Astro Shop. Okay, here we go. Welcome to Astro Shop. Transform your room in a celestial astronaut galaxy. Look no further, Astro Shop. So it'll start adding that in there in the more attractive areas, like, you know, save 20% off at Astro Shop. So you kind of get the idea. It's easy to use and set up. It's affordable. So it knew all these things to put in there. Easy to use and set up. That's a benefit. You know, that's a problem. And look at this. It even put perfect for home decor. It even put a real customer from Alex T, right? A real customer from Alex T. Now, there's another thing that you can do. You can also say, okay, great landing page. Thanks thank you, right? Is there anything else that you can include that will get the visitors to convert into a sale, right? So, you know, we want sales, right? So they'll say, okay, well, I recommend maybe this, or I'll try to recommend this. So add a limited time offer, 100% money back guarantee. And look, it already knows us. So it's doing emojis for us. It's adding emojis. It's making it super attractive. It's getting to know our brand. It might even say something about Astro Shop in here. You see what I mean? As we build, it's only going to get better and better. Look, it even put that in there, Astro Shop landing page, right? So it says call to action, email list, social proof. So what I will do, my friends, is I will say, can you make sure to include everything that you gave me for the landing page, like it's like what they gave me here, like all the additional elements, all the elements added in one long page right now. Right now. So basically, it's going to give you everything, my friends. So it's going to say boom, 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 boom. It's going to give you, but you might like this version up here. You might like this version. So copy this version, save this version in your documents, use it later. And you could easily come back to this script, this chat, and say, create me an IG post, create me a Facebook post, and you will have an incredible experience building you a store and knowing how to do your targeting. We can do our targeting right now, my friends. After this is done, we can do the targeting. I'm getting ready to build a Facebook campaign. Can you help me with some of my target audience for interest targeting on Facebook? Now, I know a lot of you are going to love that because you do ads, right? You do ads. Until this is done, I can't really say it, but look at all of the elements, my friend. It's got it all listed out. Now, there's a few things that I would do that they're missing. Like I would do more bullet points, like smaller bullet points together, like so they're not so much spread apart. I like that where it's like check, 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 check. Like I would do this like check, easy to set up, and then makes a great gift. You see what I mean? I'd put those checks really close to each other. That's something that it's missing, but it's okay. Like this is great. And you see the words are powerful. All these words are unique. And that's what makes AI unique, because all of these words are attractive. Like they are using the more attractive words to get a conversion, right, for your business. So if you have other ideas, like make this a vibe for this audience, or target, or reword this for this audience. There's all kinds of things that you can do. So let's do the Facebook targeting, and then we'll go ahead and stop here on how to do this campaign here. So here is a list of targeting for Facebook. So just the same thing like I shared earlier about giving you an example. A lot of times the first question or the first answer, it's just going to be like a bunch of ideas. And so you'll actually say like, okay, give me an example of the Facebook interests for each one of these. So give me some like actual interest to target for these types of people. Right? Space and astronomy enthusiasts, home decor, parents with young children, of course, gift shoppers, holiday birthdays, fans of sci-fi movies, TV shows. Perfect. So here we go. This is now giving you the targeting. You can target NASA, the Astronomy Magazine, Neil deGrasse Tyson, SpaceX, Hubble Space Telescope, home decor, house, Better Homes and Garden, apartment therapy, IKEA, Crate and Barrel. You see it's got targeting for each of these. So it's like, okay, I'm going to create 10 different targeting for each of these and see which one gives me the best clicks, the more traffic. And then you're like, okay, well, my audience is the gift shoppers. The gift shoppers love my astronaut. So you kind of get an idea who your audience is. No, really, it's the sci-fi fan. So maybe you have 3 of these audiences that do the best. And then what you can do is you can combine them in your ad, and then you have 3 of your best audiences together working as you scale your store, right? You scale your Shopify store. So this is incredible. The sky is the limit, my friends. You can see how much work it does for you to making your email copywriting. You could have it create you a whole email marketing sequence. So for example, the new customers that leave my store and don't buy but want a 10% coupon, please create me an attractive email campaign for follow-up and build for follow-up and try to get a sale. You know what I mean? So it's going to actually like give you like, okay, this is what you're going to want to do. This is what you're going to want to do. The subject line, don't miss out on your 10% coupon. And then you could say, well, wait a minute, you didn't put any emojis, include emojis. Or you could say, hey, is there anything that you can do to make this email more attractive? Can you make this email any more attractive? Is there anything that I'm missing in this email? And it will actually, your audience would actually do really well with this. So can you take this email? And make it more attractive for my audience? Something like that. So it's like, yeah, perfect. Certainly. Here's an updated version for your audience. Blast off to savings with 10%. You see that? So blast off for astronaut, blast off. So we're sorry we see you didn't make a purchase during your recent store. We hope that you enjoyed browsing, and then visit our URL, choose your favorite items, blah, blah, blah. And then you could say, well, wait a minute, you didn't do an emoji. So please include emojis and make some caps. And let's see, list out bullet points benefits as emojis. Okay, list out bullet points as emojis and like that. So let's see how it goes. So you see how fun it is, and then you see what you can do. Let's go. Let's go. There's the emoji, but no worries. We're excited. You know, okay, so here's maybe the bullet points with the emojis. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Transform your room. Relaxing ambiance. The perfect gift. So this is the benefits I was talking about, my friends. So a lot of people buy off of benefits, not features. So it's cool that you have a chat bot to tell you the exact best ways. And you see how it made it all capital right here. Relaxing ambiance. If you were able to bold this inside your email, you bold that, you're going to get a lot of attention. Transform your room. If you bold that, you're going to get a lot of attention, my friends. And this is just the first email. And you could even tell it like, hey, this is the Astro Shop, you know, put your brand name here. So yeah, it's ready to go, my friends. So this is exactly how you would start, find a product, start to build the landing page, make it better. You're always trying to find something and make it better than the actual person making money with it. So this store that is making money right now, they're doing pretty good. I know this store. I actually know the owner of this store. It was one of my students that did really, really well, and he set it up. And this is his store. It's amazing. And this is with a special Shopify store. This is Shopify, by the way. And, you know, he's killing it with this product. So I want you guys to know, and girls, that it's possible and you can make it even better than what they have with Chat GPT.